If you feel disconnected from your partner or stuck in the same arguments over and over again, you're not broken, and you're certainly not alone. Most relationships don't struggle because people don't care. They struggle because no one ever taught you how to communicate during conflict, how to repair disconnection, or how to feel emotionally safe again. On this channel, you're going to learn practical relationship and communication skills you can actually use in real moments at home. What to say when conflict shows up, how to calm things down instead of making them worse, and how to reconnect when things go sideways in your relationship. This isn't therapy talk, and it's not about blaming your partner or even trying harder. It's about rebuilding trust, emotional safety, and closeness. Even with busy lives, both of you having great careers, and having a house full of kids. If you're tired of feeling like roommates and want your relationship to feel strong and connected again, subscribe and start with the videos that meet you where you're at. We'll see you there.